In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Mindful Souls November subscription box, and I have it right here, and it is huge. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. You guys know that these unboxing videos are my downtime. They are my way to enjoy what I do even more, because I don't really have to like study or research or really draft out a video idea for you, because I like to have everything outlined, pinpointed, just nice, flowing, easily for you guys to understand. But these videos are not like that at all. I am always drinking when I'm doing these videos. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about, yes, I dyed my hair. Finally, I had time to dye my hair again. I gave myself a haircut. I also want to thank Mindful Souls for sending me this box, because it just was a really nice surprise during our moment of grieving and mourning. It was just really nice. It was just a really nice surprise to receive a box like that. And I'm really excited to open it. I'm really excited to go have my boyfriend open it after me. I think it was just a really sweet treat, and I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful. And I do want to let you guys know a few things about Mindful Souls. So they are an entire shop. So you don't just have to get their monthly box, which is what I'm going to show you today. You can get, there's so many things in their shop: crystals, spiritual items, all of that stuff. So I do have a 20% off code for you guys if you are interested in shopping with them or getting the box if you like what you see. I'll leave it all down below. They are $39.97 a month, and they do offer free shipping, so that I love. But getting into the box, as soon as I open it, this is what I see. So it's a big box, and I love all the papers that they put in there, because that means nothing will break. Okay, so the first thing that I see here, it looks like I don't know what that is. Okay, so this might have been, I'm not sure if it was PR or a gift they threw in, or if it's actually a part of the box. I'm not sure, but I love this. This is beautiful. I need rose quartz in my life. I have some very exciting things coming in my shop for you guys that have to do with the heart chakra. I think Kovo inspired me to do a lot of heart chakra work, and it was just the perfect time for this to come into my life. Okay. My hair might be a little bit messy right now. I didn't really have time to do it or anything. I've been so just busy and then not busy, and then, you know, when you're grieving, it's just, you gotta take some time out. And that's something I always want to talk about more and teach a little bit more, is grieving. I think I'm all too familiar with grieving ever since I was 18 years old. So I feel like I could share a lot if you guys are interested in hearing more about grief and death and loss and mourning. I talk more on Patreon because it is a little bit safer and more intimate there. But if you guys want me to talk about it here, I will. So here is what this month's box looks like. As soon as you open it up, you see, ooh, the card. You guys know, if you guys follow me on the Goddess Provisions unboxing, you know how much I love the cards. It's my favorite part, because you get to see what's in there, and they just give you the explanation. Ooh, I see a lot of good things. I'm excited. So here's what the box looks like underneath the card. It smells really good. It smells like an Indian spiritual shop. Like, it really does. First thing that I see here is Rich Lavender Exquisite Travel Tin. What is that? This is a Rich Lavender Exquisite candle. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells, ooh, so fresh and uplifting. Immediately uplifts your mind and everything. The smell is very uplifting. Here's what the candle looks like. It's really cute, really pretty. You guys, look at that. And oh, the smell though. Now, lavender is really good for anxiety, sleep, stress, depression, and also, like, if there's a lot of fighting and quarrels and miscommunications in the house, the workplace, lavender is something that calms everybody's energy down. So this would be a really good candle to light anywhere. Next thing I see, it is agarbatti, which is incense, and this is Nag Mantra. This is so pretty. Look at this. If you guys know what Vico turmeric is, this packaging reminds me of Vico turmeric, but this is sealed so nicely. So this is Nag Champa. I think it's Nag Champa incense, but it's Nag Mantra incense. Smells like Nog Champa, if you guys know what that is, which is really, really good. This is really interesting because last night, you guys, I had a dream about a snake. And we have not been to PetSmart in a long time, and we finally got a chance to go to PetSmart to get some food for the animals, some treats for the animals, some toys and stuff. And there was a snake there that looked exactly like the snake in my dream. And then when we came back home, snakes kept popping up on every video that we were watching on YouTube. It was so weird. And Nog means snake. So I feel like I've been seeing the snake a lot, and the snake for me, it's such a symbol of Shiva, and I work with Shiva a lot, but I have not worked with him for a while. And he is like, you know, a huge symbol of the underworld. You guys, the synchronicities are crazy. I pulled a card after we came home, you know, the next day with Kovu, and the underworld card came up. Like, there's so many synchronicities that have been going on, and then for me to get this Nog incense just reminds me of all the synchronicities around my beautiful little Kovu. The next thing I see is in this little baggie, and it looks like a crystal. Okay, this is a really pretty crystal. I do not know what it is. It's a metallic calcite crystal. So calcite stone brings one's emotions and intellect into union. And deeper awareness allows you to see things from a different perspective and leading you with success during change and challenges. Here's what the crystal looks like. I've never even heard of this before, but it's really, really pretty and it's really shiny. The next thing I see is a soap, and it smells so good. If you guys have ever been to an Indian store, okay, an Indian grocery store, and you ever picked up the aloe vera soap from there, and you smell it, it smells just like this. This smells like my childhood. And it's, oh, I love it. I can't wait. I think my boyfriend's gonna be so excited for this. So this is a aloe vera soap. I'm pretty sure if I ended up liking any of these items, I could go to Mindful Souls and just purchase the item alone, which I really, really like, because if I end up liking this, it's so nostalgic, the scent. If you guys are from Fiji or from India and you get this box and you smell this, let me know if it gives you nostalgia. The next thing I see here looks like another crystal. It's in another really cute pouch. And, oh, it is. Actually, it's resin. This is resin. That's so funny because my boyfriend is in the garage right now working on our resin items. That is so crazy. So this is a yellow aventurine Merkaba star. Merkaba is something that I still don't know much about. I want to learn about it. I want to study it. But basically, it's a sacred symbol that brightens a path for spirit and body to reach the higher realms. Interesting. I would love to keep this near photos of Kovu. Like, I think that would just be perfect, right? The yellow aventurine is also good for the solar plexus, which is a chakra that governs your happiness and your confidence and how much happiness you allow into your life, your energy, and it's governed by the color yellow. So it's very interesting. And this crystal is very helpful in transformations in your life. If you guys can see that, that is what it looks like. It's resin, I think, but it's filled with yellow aventurine. The next thing I see here is another pouch, and this, it's a bracelet. Ooh, okay. What is this? I do not own anything like this, anything of this color. What is this? Silk agate or agate. How do you guys pronounce that? I know I always say agate and my boyfriend always says agate. I don't know. The healing properties of the stone are unbelievably powerful, they say. This magical stone is capable of transforming all that's negative into bright and positive. I think I'm going to put this on and not take it off for a while. Wear this bracelet daily or whenever you feel its guidance is needed. Make all of the anger, tension, doubt, concerns fade away. Invite calmness, clarity, and wellness into your path. That is exactly what I need right now. I'm going to sage this up, and I think I'm going to put it at my Kali's feet. I like to give her stuff that I get, you know, and then I'll wear it after. So here's what it looks like close up. How pretty is that? Look at the beads. How just unique every bead is. And I've never heard of silk agate. Okay, before we get into the rest of the box, there's a few more things. Let's take the rest of the shot. I've just been kind of sipping on it, but One thing I really, really like about Mindful Souls is they give affirmation cards. And these are things that I use everywhere around my house. I truly believe in the power of aesthetics. What you see in your environment will impact and affect and change, transform your life. Whether it's in a good way or a bad way, that's up to you. And that's up to basically what your environment looks like. So I like to keep these affirmation cards. I like to keep artwork. I like to keep positive things that make me happy. Photos, roses, herbs, crystals all over the house, because it just amplifies the whole energy of the house. It's very beautiful, and you always want to make sure every room you walk into you feel good. So I like these affirmation cards, and this one says, compassion is a force of nature that transforms everyone it touches. Affirmations for compassion. Okay, the last thing I see here looks like a sticker, and I don't know what yantra this is. It looks like it is a yantra. Like, if you guys can see, I work with yantras on a daily basis. It does look like a yantra. I'm just not sure what it is. It could be Lakshmi yantra, but it doesn't say on the card, so I'm not sure. But you could put it in your journal, on your fridge. It's really pretty. I'm very interested to see what it is. Okay, that is everything that was in the box. Very well worth the $39.97 because you get soap, you get crystals, you get jewelry, you get candles, you get incense. And all of these things, I feel like if we went to a spiritual shop or a botanica or Indian spiritual shop or anywhere, it would have came out to way more than $40. So, and on top of that, these are quality, natural, using high quality like essential oils, herbs. You can tell, you can smell it, and just, it's a good box, you guys. Very good box. And I think if anyone is out there that is going through grieving or mourning or heart chakra healing, like just healing any kind of pain in your heart, this is a really good box. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have pets, go give them a big old hug from me. And I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.